Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection for our Blu-ray update of the week. Today I'm going to show you Harry Potter parts 1 and 2 in 3D. The regular edition goes for $20, but the 3D goes for $23, which is not bad, it's just $3 more. But you can only find this at Best Buy. So here we have parts 1 and 2 available today. Both of them comes with this really nice 3D lenticular cover. So let me show you part 1. Has the exact same artwork. And part 2 also has the exact same artwork. I know you guys like to collect this, so this is a must-have. Really nice lenticular. So here it is, the case. It says 3D Harry Potter, and here's the back cover. Okay, so we're gonna start with part 1. Let's remove here the plastic. Comes with a bunch of flyers. So here's the code for your Harry Potter. Just be advised, this is now the ultraviolet. And also comes with the magazine from Noble collection. So let's go. Here we have the 3D, the regular 2D of the movie, and Blu-ray special features. And here is the DVD. The digital copy is a download link. It's really simple. All you have to do is go to ultraviolet.flixster.com/HarryPotter7 Part 1 and download your movie. So really nice. 4 discs, 3 Blu-rays, and best of all 3 Blu-rays are region free. Just the DVD is region 1. Now let me show you part 2. And here it is, same thing. This one doesn't have the booklet, just the usual flyer from BD Live. So here we have the part 2 in 3D, the Blu-ray of the movie, of course in 2D. This is the Blu-ray special features, and here's the DVD. Once again, just like the other edition, the digital copy is a download link, so go to ultravioletflixster.com and download your movie. So really nice, and comes in a nice case. No complaints here for this. And best of all, once again, all 3 Blu-rays are region free. Let me show you here the special features up close. Part 1 has the exact same special features as the previous release. And for the part 2 we have almost 5 hours of content. On disc 1 of the movie you're gonna find something called Maximum Movie Mode, which has over 2 hours and 40 minutes. And on the special features Blu-ray disc you're gonna find over 2 hours of special features. And for audio, both titles come with English as DTS HD Master Audio 5.1, as well as French, Spanish and Portuguese Dolby Digital 5.1. Part 2 also includes a PlayStation 3 game demo for LEGO Harry Potter years 5 to 7. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection. Thanks and see you next time.